Welcome back to Educational Hub. In our previous video, we explored how the new editing feature in NotebookLM can be used to adjust slides, make improvements, and export the entire presentation as a PowerPoint file. At first glance, this feature seems like a complete solution for researchers and students. However, once you start using it, you realize that it comes with several limitations that make slide editing slower and sometimes frustrating. The first issue is the amount of time the process takes. Even if you want to make a tiny modification to a slide, you often need to regenerate the entire slide deck. What should normally be a quick 5-second adjustment can easily turn into a task that takes 5 to 10 minutes. Another challenge appears after the slides are generated. Sometimes the output still contains small errors or formatting problems. When this happens, the only option is to regenerate the slides again. But even this process has restrictions because the system only allows a limited number of regenerations. Perhaps the most frustrating limitation is related to the PowerPoint download option. Although the file is saved in PPT format, each slide is actually stored as an image. This means the text cannot be clicked or edited directly inside PowerPoint. So while the NotebookLM editing feature is helpful for minor AI-assisted adjustments, it is not ideal when you need full control over your presentation. One possible workaround is the Grab Text feature in Canva Pro, which can detect both printed and typed text. However, you still have to manually reposition and adjust each element on every slide, and the results are not always accurate. Fortunately, there is another tool that simplifies the process by allowing you to edit slides easily and convert PDF presentations into fully editable PowerPoint files. The tool is called PDNob PDF Editor. You might wonder why another PDF editor is worth mentioning. The key reason is its AI-powered OCR technology. This feature can intelligently detect text and separate elements within a document. In addition, the software includes a variety of editing tools that allow you to modify slides exactly the way you want. Let's take a quick look at how the process works. First, open NotebookLM and create a new notebook. From there, generate a slide presentation based on your research material. For demonstration purposes, I have already created a slide deck that we will use in this tutorial. The next step is to download the presentation. Instead of selecting PowerPoint, choose the PDF format, because OCR systems usually produce more accurate results when working with PDF files. After that, download and install PDNob PDF Editor. The link is available in the video description, and the software supports both Windows and Mac systems. Once you open the program and log in, you will see its main dashboard. Select the option labeled OCR PDF. Then, upload the PDF file you downloaded from NotebookLM. Inside the OCR Settings panel, choose the option Scan to Editable Text. You can keep the default page range, and if necessary, select the document language from the drop-down list. Next, click Perform OCR. At this stage, the software uses artificial intelligence to identify the text and separate different elements, such as headings, paragraphs, and images. The process typically takes around 1 minute. When the OCR process is finished, the slides become fully editable. You can start making changes directly within the editor. For example, simply click on any text section to modify it. However, if you prefer working in PowerPoint, you can also export the file there. To do this, go to the Convert menu and select the option Convert to PPT. After clicking the Convert button, the system will generate a PowerPoint file for you. Now your presentation is completely editable in PowerPoint. You can modify text, adjust font styles, change sizes or colors, resize images, and even redesign the slide background. This flexibility allows researchers and students to refine their presentations according to their needs. Like Canva Pro, PDNob is also a premium tool. However, many users find that it delivers better accuracy and maintains the original slide layout more effectively. Another advantage is that you can test around 85% of its advanced features for free. The free version allows you to save up to 20 PDF files without adding a watermark. In addition to converting PDFs into PowerPoint, this software can also convert documents into Word files, Excel sheets, images, and other formats. Beyond slide editing, it also includes features for compressing PDFs, merging documents, adding watermarks, and managing backgrounds. One small limitation is that Hindi language support is currently unavailable. However, if your slides are written in English, the tool works very well for editing and conversion. You can start by trying the free trial to see whether the application fits your workflow. If it proves useful, you also have the option to purchase a lifetime license, which requires only a one-time payment without recurring charges. You will find the download link in the video description. Try it yourself and share your experience in the comments. And if you haven't watched our previous video about the NotebookLM editing feature, make sure to check that out as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Educational Hub for more insights on AI tools and their impact on academic research. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.